Despite being home to just under 20% of the population, 45% of all fatal crashes occur on rural roadways. Why are rural roadways so deadly? The causes range from poor lighting, high speeds, sharp curves, no center lines or road edge markings, missing guardrails, and limited maintenance. Amongst all rural, non-intersection fatalities, the most common cause is roadway departures. A roadway departure is a crash in which a vehicle crosses an edge line, a center line, or otherwise leaves the traveled way. How Carmanah's rural roadway treatments help reduce roadway departures and keep road users safe. The R247MX connected warning beacon or sign meets MUTCD standards for color, flash rate, and dimming. Flasher options include an LED sign or beacon. It features a modular design for faster installation. The SpeedCheck MX connected radar speed sign features an ultra-clear, high-contrast display for maximum visibility in all conditions. Alert enhancements include a slow down message, strobes, and additional beacons. The Chevron MX connected LED-enhanced chevron signs feature an ultra-bright simultaneous or sequential flash pattern. Operation options include radar activation, dusk to dawn, or 24/7 always-on operation. Sign options include single or double-sided mounting. It has a built-in knockdown sensor. MX is the simplest and most affordable way to monitor, control, and gather data from traffic beacon and sign systems. With MX, you get actionable alerts, receive timely email and/or text alerts about your systems. MX Cloud, get complete asset visibility and seamless data collection from anywhere. MX Field App, quickly set up and make local changes with an iOS, Android app. Easy installation. Embedded connectivity is factory tested and works right out of the box. Carmanah's traffic beacon and sign systems have earned the trust of cities and agencies across North America, helping increase safety on rural roadways, suburban roadways, at intersections, and more. Learn more about Carmanah's rural roadway solutions at carmanah.com.